This is my new blush challenge. Last year was all about the numbers and this year is all about fun and experiments. The main idea is to use eyeshadow as blush. I can use one shade or I can mix several shades. I can freely experiment or I can try to recreate an existing blush that I don't have in my collection. I won't have any usage goal and I also can use real blush as eyeshadow. The only palette that I won't use is this one because I used it last year in No Pan Left Behind, and one of my rules was that I had to try all the shades as face product, so I've already used all the shades in this palette as blushes or highlighters. Other than that, I can use whatever I want. And now I'm gonna show you all the shades that I tried this past month. And we're starting with a classic. The first eyeshadow that I tried as a blush comes from the Modern Renaissance palette and it's the color Red Ochre. That day I was wearing an eye look made with shades from Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam, so I thought that a shade from one of these palettes would be a good match. And as you can see, I grabbed the shadow with the small and fluffy blush brush, and at first it's a bit too much, but then I'm blending the shade with my bronzer brush, and after that I think it's very wearable. For the second look, I used both a blush as an eyeshadow and two eyeshadows as a blush. The blush I used as an eyeshadow is this Cool Pink from Sephora collection. I applied it all over my lid and then I added a purple outer V and a loose multi-chrome all over the lid. I had to apply quite a bit of blush to get the color payoff that I wanted, but it worked. And for the blush, I used two of my Colourpop singles. As you can see, I dipped my brush quite a bit in the light lilac shade, but I only used a little bit of the dark pink. I was a bit afraid of this shade, but it turned out well right away. I didn't need to blend it further with a bigger brush. I think I will be able to use a lot of these singles as blushes. Of course, I'm not planning on using the bottom row, but other than that, except for the free shimmers, I think everything could work. Maybe not the lightest one because it's nearly the shade of my skin tone. But other than that, I think I have a lot of good contenders in this palette. In the third look, I used the real blush as an eyeshadow. It's this blush from Sephora in the color Flirt It Up. As you can see, I used it as a transition shade and I also used it as a blush. So of course it made a cohesive look and it's quite pigmented. I didn't have to reapply it 1,000 times to get some color payoff as a transition shade. For the next update, I'll try to use bolder colors because I kind of played it safe at the beginning with mostly pink looks. As you might have understood, I'm not very tempted by a green blush, but nonetheless I'll try to keep it fun for you to watch. If you want me to try to recreate a blush that I don't own, feel free to make suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon, and in the meantime, have fun with your makeup. Bye!